Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy M55 to an Android device. Begin by launching Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to use it, click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window, you need to tap on Not Now and close it right away by hitting OK. Or just tap on OK right away. Now click on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Samsung, thanks to all of those categories at the top, you can select multiple files to send. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to input this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers before they expire and hit Receive. If you want to scan this QR code though, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad, allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after closing an ad, come on! All of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!